Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, it's gonna be a fun one because I'm gonna show you 3 weird ways to make money online, and literally you can make thousands of dollars doing this stuff. So let's get started right now. Alright guys, before I show you the first one, I just want to stop by here at my channel since you're on my channel, and I want to point out that I do not use any of these 3 weird ways because I make a passive online income. I like making online income passively this way, and so if you want to build an online business instead, check that out, and that's what I do online, okay? So let's get started for the first one. Oh my god, you won't believe these guys, okay? For first one is Dietbet, okay? You're gonna get paid to lose weight, and it's gonna be perfect right now. And we're in January 2020, and it's perfect time if you want to lose weight for 2020. This is the challenge for you, okay? This gives you motivation, inspiration, and money to be paid to you if you can keep your goal, okay? So what happens here is that you can join Dietbet and you're going to bet on yourself, okay? So what you do is going to join one of these challenges for a certain amount of time. I think it's 4 weeks at a time, and starting you can do try to lose 4%, and if you get even better, you could try to lose 10%, okay? So let me start with the 4%. So let's see how this works, okay? So you're going to join a game. So you could be by yourself to join the game. You don't have to be a team or anything like that. You lose the weight, and then you can win and split the pot. So how this works is that I'm going to go into one of these games right now. It's called Kickstarter. So Kickstarter is like the lowest game that you can kind of join. And at first, you could just be a participant. And if you get good at it, you could host one of these too, okay? And so this is from January 13th to February 9th. It's a 4-week game. Transform with Chris and Heidi Powell in 2020. So 2020 begins a new decade. Let's nail those transformation goals first thing. So what you're going to do is go and bet on yourself by paying $30, and there are already 873 players in here, so the pot prize is over 26,000. Okay, so let's see how this works. So you're gonna bet, you're gonna commit $30 to keep you accountable, and then if you lose 4% over 4 weeks, then you win. So if you're a winner, you're gonna split the pot with other winners. So you are banking. So basically you're banking on other people not losing the weight, because if other people don't lose the weight, that's how you could get your not only your money back, but plus some, okay? So let's see. So how you weigh in, so there's going to be 2 ways to weigh in. So you're going to weigh in with the scale with today's weigh-in word written on a piece of paper. So this is how you don't cheat, because I guess they release a certain word that you got to put in front of your scale. So when you get on, you could take the picture and it verifies that you did weigh in on that day. And then you're going to need to also submit a full body pose on a scale with lightweight clothing so they can see what your shape is. And then what else do you need? That's it. You need a scale, a pen and paper, and a full-length mirror, okay? Who sees my weight? You control whether or not other players see your weight. By default, your weight is private, but you can change this in your account settings. And then who will see your photos? Your weigh-in photos are used solely by the Dietbet referees to confirm your weight. You will not use these photos for purposes other than weigh-in review without your permission. Okay, so that is very nice. So you don't have to worry about this picture or this picture being on the online at all. So it's going to be private. It's only for them to make sure that you are weighing correctly and not cheating. How do you keep the game fair? Our referees review all weigh-ins. We also use algorithms to detect unusual activity within and across games. At times, we may require players to submit extra proof for their weight loss using a video weigh-in. Okay, so there's a lot of other things that you can kind of check in here that I'm not going to go through because this video will be huge, okay? And so and it works because people are actually making money from this, okay? So let me just come back on the front here. There's these, yes, I wanted to show you guys these success stories over here. This person lost 84 pounds and won 667. And then this person won over $1,000 for losing 55 pounds. I mean, look at the transformation, guys. It's amazing. And not only for women, for guys too. Look at this guy. He won over 1,500 as well, okay? So this is a great motivation for anyone who wants to lose weight. So I found this lady who did this and won over $5,000. So let me just play this little part right now.
Part of this series is going to be how I made over $5,000 losing weight, losing 75 pounds.
So she used this app as well as another app to combine the 5,000. Okay, so this is the other one that you could use, Healthy Wage, but that's more of a team, so you need to get other people, and that's why I didn't really want to show it in this one, because then for Dietbet it's individual friendly, so that's why I want to show you guys that one. So anyway, there's two that you could check out. So the next weird way for you to make money online is selling your hair. Okay, should I sell my hair, guys? I don't know. My hair is actually not that, it's been dyed, so it's not virgin hair, but I don't know if it needs to be virgin hair actually. So if you're somebody, guy or girl, who has long hair, you could totally buy and sell hair on this hairsellon.com. Okay, so hairsellon.com. So you could buy and sell hair online here. And people use hair for many different purposes, okay? They could use it for art, they could use it for practicing if they're in the hair industry, or they could use it for wigs, for many purposes for wigs, obviously. And so look at some of these pricing, guys, okay? So on the right here, these are being sold already. So 700, 100 something, 800 is sold for 300. And so forth, okay? And look at all the hair that's available right now. You have 300, well, someone's trying to sell something for 2,500 for, wow, 36 inches of hair. This is crazy, right? So you could 500, 600, I mean, obviously you can't earn multiple because it takes you forever to grow hair like this to get it, but it's a good side income if you actually have long hair and you want to get some quicker cash. This is a great way to do it, guys. Okay, oh my goodness. So I think maybe the longer the hair, the more expensive it could be. Oh, and people, yeah, use it for extensions. Yeah, so you see, I went to the longest hair and you can see that these are the one that has the higher amounts. So if you have really long hair, you can make a good amount of money on here. Okay, so I'm not gonna spend too much time on this one, but this is how you could actually make some money selling. It's like eBay, but for hair, really. Okay, so the third weird way to make money online is literally, it's so funny, guys. Okay, rent a friend. Okay, you could be somebody's friend and make money this way. So, and this is worldwide, guys, okay? Worldwide. So what is Rent a Friend? Rent a Friend is a website that allows you to rent local friends from all over the world. You can rent a local friend to go hang out and go to a movie, or to a restaurant, or someone to go to a party or event. Rent a friend to teach you a new skill or hobby, or to show you around an unfamiliar town. Rentafriend.com is strictly a platonic friendship website. It's not a dating website, guys, okay? And not an escort service of any kind. It is only for friendship, guys, okay? So this actually works because this has been on the news and I have verified it, and I've gone to the videos that is, let's see, I'll show you this, okay? So if you come down here, you could click this view some press coverage, and you can see, well, I don't know what happened to the Fox News, but they have two other news outlets that had them on their news to talk about Rent a Friend. And so this is really legit. So people are using rentafriend.com for all kinds of activities. And you can just look at this list right here. It says Rent a Friend is available worldwide, and they have over 600,000 people on here already as of today. So if you want to be a friend that is being rented out and get paid for it, you go to the very bottom and click here to become a friend and get paid, okay? So get paid to be a friend. We are now accepting friend applications worldwide. Earn up to $50 per hour, guys. Plus free meals, free concerts, free sporting events, and more. So I guess whoever rents you has to pay for you like a date. So like a friend date, and they have to like pick up the bill. So you're gonna not only get paid, but you're gonna get the entire day free. So it could be a fun thing to do. Get paid to be a friend. Be your own boss. Set your own hours. Set your price. Work when you want to and keep 100% of the money you make. This is the ultimate job. Maybe I should sign up. Who wants to rent me as a friend? Okay, and then on this Men's Health blog, I saw this, okay? The payout. Some friends charge up to $150 for an hour, but the average hourly rate is between basically $20 to $50, which is this is better than working at a job, guys, okay? For this kind of money, wow. And according to Rent a Friend, if you do this part-time 3 days a week and charge $20 per hour, you can make an additional $1,900 per month just to be somebody's friend, guys. I mean, this is a great way to make some money, don't you think? So those are the 3 ways how to make money using weird ways, guys, okay? But these 3 ways aren't gonna make you consistent money on some of them, because like the hair, I mean, it's a one-time deal, right? But then, you know, the friend thing is pretty cool because you can keep doing it, but then it's a really fun way to make money actually. But the only drawback is that you are trading time for money, and you gotta keep doing that to earn. So, and then the first way was getting paid to lose weight, and again, so that's just a fun challenge for you to earn some extra cash for whatever project. So you could do it for a certain project that you need and win some money. So these are kind of not consistent ways to make money, but it is a fun way and weird ways to make money online for sure. But it's, so if you actually want to make a real online income though, please check out this link right here, and you can follow my path and do what I do online so that you can make an online passive income, and I will help you if you join this too, okay? So I could offer you free coaching on that platform if you join the same path that I go on, all right? So I hope you enjoyed this video, because I sure did. And if you did, so please give me a like underneath this video, guys. And if you haven't already, what haven't you already? Subscribe to my channel and smash that free badge over there. What is that free badge? Hit it, see what happens. And also, don't forget to get notified and hit that notification bell, because then you can see when my next video comes out, guys. I come up with videos every single week, but I have no idea when they come out, so get notified, okay? All right, so I hope to see you on the next one. Bye.